Back to LondonShow, and we're making pink lemonade. And we got our water, our sugar, our strawberries, our lemons, our measuring cup, and our blender and our spoon. Ready to get started? Let's get started. We're gonna blend the strawberries. Let's put them in there. Get the strawberry in. Get the strawberry in. Just one more strawberry. Put this one in. And this one. And what about this one? And this one, the biggest one, this one. And the strawberries already. Now we're gonna put it in here. Okay. Open this first. Hey, it can't get out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. My finger just got stuck. And now let's put it in there. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now we're gonna squeeze the lemons in here and we're gonna put it in here. Let's get started. Wait. Oh, there we go. Squeeze. Oops. Squeeze the lemons. Squeeze the lemons. Pick up the last one. Now the lemons are squashed, and now we're gonna put it in here. Whoa. Wow! It's awesome. We're gonna put the sugar in. Okay. Sugar in. Oopsie. Oops. We're gonna put the water in. Okay. Don't make a mess again. Whoa! Wow, it looks like a rocket ship blasting really fast. Rocket ship blasting really fast in space. Wow. Go really fast. Whoa! Whee! Wow. That was so cool. That was so cool. Do it again. Whoa! Ah! Wow. Ah! Oh no! Ah! The rocket ships are falling. Now put the other one. Blasting! Whoa! Whoa. Okay, stir it. Now we're gonna put the lemons in. One lemon. 2 lemons. Ouch. 3 lemons. 4 lemons. Now I got my ice and my straw, and now I'm gonna put my lemon on my cup. Okay, put my lemon on my cup. There we go. Wow! Just look at how pretty. I'm gonna taste it. Good. Bye, subscribers, and bye, guys. Click on some thumbs up buttons and click on subscribe. I hope I see you later. Bye-bye.